Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. This is Master Alex. Welcome. Today I would like to share with you the Zodiac snake in 2023, which is the year of water rabbit. If you're born in the following period, your Zodiac is a snake and you have so many beautiful advantages which come with you. And the most special one is, come to my mind, is the preferable but strong. So this is the main characteristic that come to my mind. And you are so amazing. So not just flexible, but tough, but strong. This is something amazing. And you have also other, we call it the congenital advantage. The congenital means you don't need to do anything. It just comes with you naturally when you're born. And I list 6 of them for your reference. Okay, are you ready? The first one, which is for snake, you always plan ahead, have a really organization, planning skill, will plan his like a target, objective, step by step, and get that thing done. So this is something amazing. Okay, the second characteristic, which is for snake, they have a really unique insight. Some of them maybe they cannot discover those are like hidden investment opportunity or hidden investment value. But for Zodiac snake, you can do that. You got like a sixth sense or insight to just pick it out, pick the most important value out, and then point it out. So this is something really good and amazing. Okay, the number 3 is enjoyment. For Zodiac snake, he would like to enjoy his life, and then he's born to enjoy it. So different like entertainment, different enjoyment, which is really for Zodiac snake, they will treasure it and enjoy it. And also for Zodiac snake is some flexibility when he want to do something, when he want to complete something, he will use different method, different way to do that, not just limited to one like a solution. There's many solutions for Zodiac snake. So this is something good. Okay, the number 5 is for Zodiac snake, you have a really strong money making ability. So you're born to be business, born to make good money. This is something congenital. It comes with your mind when you're born. So this is really good. And the last one, which survival skill. Zodiac snake have a really strong survival skill. Imagine if you transfer to some like remote island. For other people, maybe they cannot success, they cannot survive. But for Zodiac snake, no problem. He will use his way to finish it, to do that, to fight for his life and then success. So this is something really good. Okay, we finished the 6 of them, which is congenital advantage, and I list 3 congenital disadvantage, which is for your reference. Okay, the first one is for Zodiac snake, he'll have a strong suspicious characteristic, especially to your like a wife, your husband. You will show this suspicious one when you smell something or you sense something. Your suspicious characteristic will dominate in your life. Okay, the second one is emotional. For Zodiac snake, is not really stable. Too much ups and down, emotional, especially when there's something touching your principle, touching the baseline of you. You'll show more like sensitive, more emotional way to show it. Okay, the last one, which is sometimes you care too much for your spouse and you will create some unnecessary stress to them, to your spouse. So this is something maybe you need to pay attention. Okay, the next topic I would like to talk about is the business partner. If you're Zodiac snake, you need to find Rooster and Ox. They're really good for you to form a team. Snake, Rooster, and Ox, they are good to form a strong team. 3 of them together, amazing for business. If you're looking for your like a personal partner, like a girlfriend and boyfriend, you need to find Monkey. Monkey is really good for you. And you need to stay away from Pig and Tiger. These 2 zodiac is not really good for you. Okay, the next topic is the timing. Every single day from 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. and then from 1 a.m. to 3 a.m. is your good luck timing. Anything important, you can schedule it from this good luck timing, especially from 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. Okay, for the bad luck timing, which is every single day from 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. and then from 3 a.m. to 5 a.m. So stay away from those bad luck timing, it will help. And in 2023, you have two lucky stars shining, blessing you. The first one is a Teen Youth. This one is a really good. It's like a good people surrounding you, helping you out. If you need something, just look around. Some nice people is there to help you out. The second thing is Yigma. Just like this year, if you move around, do more traveling, have a more business trip, then you will become more success this year. So don't let yourself settle down this year. This year you need to move, you need to travel, you need to go out to hunting, to do more like a achievement, which is good for you. And this year, unfortunately, there's a fall in a special star which is affecting you. The first one is a Soulmate. This that will make you have like a health issue, sickness issue. The second one is the arisen. It's not really good for love, for the friendship. Will make you have some loneliness feeling. The third one is a Dexa. It's also not really good for health. And then the last one is a prosperous. It's against you and bring you some bad luck. But don't worry, because this year you have a two good stars shining, so it's not really bad. And if you have anything you want to do, I suggest you try to accomplish it. And then this year is not a bad year for you. Okay, for the overall forecast this year, you need to have a lot of traveling, business trip, to go out more, to meet more people, visit your friends, your family. That will definitely help. The more you travel, the more money luck you have. So go ahead and plan your trip. And if you want to move a new location, buy a new home, or start a new job, this year is a good idea to do that. Okay, the next thing is the financial forecast for this year. You have a lot of good opportunities show up to you, so treasure it, make use of it, and then try to find out those good opportunities. And you will have some investment luck this year, but you need to pay attention for the market, because too much ups and downs, too much challenge will occur. So you still need to pay attention. The next thing is for the career forecast. This year, you have a new opportunity show up. It's time for you to change your job or even start your new business, if possible, if you want. And it's time for this year to make some change. So this year is good for change. Okay, the next one is the love and family forecast. There will also unnecessary stress, unnecessary conflicts around you and your spouse and your family. You need to pay attention. Okay, the last thing is health forecast. This year is time to review your eating habit, your dietary habit. Sometimes you need to change. Stay away from those junk food and don't drink too much. Don't drink, it will help. So I wish you good luck this year. Thanks for watching. Bye. If you want to learn more about traditional Feng Shui setting and knowledge, I have a book in Amazon.com. The name is Practical Feng Shui 101. You can go there, take a look. I put a link down below. And if you want to learn more about current Feng Shui setting and yearly Feng Shui tips, I also have a book for you, free of charge. I put a link down below. You're welcome to go there, download it. And thanks for watching. Good luck.